The interurban train was built in 1905. George started his career as a luggage carrier on the tram. Little did George know that he would meet the love of his life aboard the same tram.
Oh, ma'am, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, Mary. I have to get on the tram to go back home. I will see you tomorrow.
Goodbye, George.
When the tram was being built, a lot of trees got cut down. 2 years later, after Mary and George met, they finally got married.
Once on the interurban train, there's a pig on board.
George was a hero, once even saving a baby from the tram tracks.
In 1958, the tram went on its last run.